Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I was playing around with some of my squiggles that I've acquired over the year from different people, and then I've actually created some of my own. You're more than welcome. I'll put my email. But I took one of the squiggles and I made this. It's pretty cool. Let's make it really show off. Let's make it yellow and put a black box around it or behind it. Black object order back a page. I mean, look at that. And to make that, all you need to do is have this. Now I'm going to hit P, put it at the center of the page. Excuse me. Draw a square and hit P. Now, select them both and basically take away the outline, but there's still two objects selected. Even though we took away the outline, it's still there. Then go to Effects and Distort and Offset and watch this. It made that. Now there's some garbage in the middle that I can't really figure out what it is, but if we look at under view and wireframe, there's really nothing there. So this is one of those times, it's not, there's nothing there. It just looks like it is when we have it. Well, you know what? It's the back. So if we take this now and select it and move the box away, then we just have this. So what that other stuff, well, still don't know what that other stuff is. But instead of nudging it, and see when you check off of it, it goes away. Control D, grabbing that and holding down the control button. Look at that. Control D, hold down the control button and look at that. And then you could Control D, hold down the control button, grab it again. If you keep doing this, you are moving it, but it's mirroring it where it's making that weird shape. I mean, I guess I got rid of it. Let me see if I can bring it back. So I took that and made that pattern below. And see, it's like that, and it's basically just mirroring this, but it does it, it broke it up for you so you could have it kind of in the corner of the item. So I'm going to still play around with this. I think there's more we can do with this. But anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.